Hello everyone. Sorry due to network issue, that's why I unable to complete that video. So let's start now. So okay, we have created now our one text field here. This is input text field. I have given a SLDS class for around this is the basically margin. Okay. So this is text type. Placeholder I have enter your term text area, and I have type here one event on key down That's why when you press any key, okay, so then it will be work your event. Okay, so here I will hit my enter button. Okay, so that's why I have put handle interchange. So every keyword have one HTML code. So that's why we will check here. Okay, so let's go uh, in our JavaScript. Okay, so here just copy your method, and what's need to be do first, what your text field. Okay, so let's create one method, sorry, variable here. So let's go the name something, search term text. Okay, by default I'm passing a blank here. Okay, so event, if when you enter press the enter button. Okay, so how you can get event dot key code basically. Okay, key code, when you press the enter key code, so enter we have the 13 number key. So how you can check also, you can go here in this and just press enter keyword key code in HTML. Okay, so when press enter, so you can get the all the property here. Okay, so when you check the key code, okay, basically, so it's basically 13 key number here. Here let me show you here. Okay, so it's showing 13, right? So basically 13. So we have already created this. So let's when it's key down, then just store your value here. So basically event dot target and then value. Okay, so event dot target dot value, your value is coming now. Okay, so let's call our apex method. Here our apex method. Sorry, this is not our apex class. Our apex class name chat GPT controller. Okay, so this is our basically apex class. So how you can import, so just now copy this name and import your apex class. Import your method name from and at the rate Salesforce Apex, this one. Okay, then forward slash, and first copy this your Apex class name, then dot. I have already copied that method name, so just copy this method name, pass here. Okay, so let's call our Apex method here. This, and when any variable passing in the Apex class, so we need to be pass here, and it will be the same whatever you have parameterized, pass here. Okay, so just pass here, then semicolon this dot your variable is this one. Okay, after that just type here then, and whatever your result is coming, so just type your result and arrow method. In a JavaScript we have arrow method basically. So then curly braces. Okay, so you can check if you want to check your result coming or not, so you can type console.log and pass here basically something in the single quotes, pass result and equal comma and result. Okay, and if any error coming, so it will be go in the catch. So basically first then dot and then pass the error variable, then arrow method calibration. If any error coming, so you can console your error. Okay. So error dot error here. Okay. So your method now is finally called. So in HTML, how you can show that your method. So let's go here and just type one template if dot true. Okay. First need to check your data is coming in not properly. So what you can check here, just earn the red track, search, chat, reject. Okay. This is my variable. So this is array variable, array type of data is returning now. So I'm storing this my data in array basically. Okay. So here I'm passing this dot result. I will pass basically also after that. Okay. But let's just checking for checking. Okay. So this variable name and I'm checking on the HTML go and paste here. Where your data is coming means it will when data coming, so it will be run this as a true. Okay. So let's call one in a LWC we have one basically tag lightning formatted hyphen reach hyphen text. Okay. So just this method I'm passing and this is the value. Pass your variable when value is coming in this. Okay. So now value is coming in this system. Now let's just deploy your component and go on the again UI and check data is coming or not. Okay. Let's go on UI. Just refresh your component. Let's check here. Write a email for lead. Okay. Press enter. You have entered and now checking data. So here when data is searching the behind but is not showing something loading. Okay. So let's we put the loading part also. Is data not showing? So let's check in the console. It's coming or not. Enable. This is not showing something here. Okay. So let's check in the our code here. Okay. Let's check HTML is JavaScript saved or not. So your JavaScript saved basically. Okay, event.key is equal 13 and your value search.text. Passing here target event value and search this value and result is coming in the system. So your method is this is your method basically, right? Let's say and deploy again. Let's check your method name is something right. Yes, it's coming something right. Here is not passing over that one method here. Let's check here. Data is gone correct. The data is coming now in the system, but on HTML is not going. So let's check its return type here. And when data, okay, our get body also washing here. Okay, so means data is coming now. 9:14, it means, okay, 9:14 means our Apex class is not running, right? So how we can check our data is not running? It means our keyword is not working fine. Okay, so let's check event dot. Oh, here I missed the key basically. Okay, so let's save and deploy. Sometimes in Java you skip your any variable, so it's not showing error basically. So that's why we didn't understand how where the error and what the basically uh, uh, we have missed. Okay, so when you write something right now, so just make sure your uh, make sure your everything is fine. So then the code is it will run properly. Okay, write an email for lead check or hit here. So wow, let's data is coming now. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let me add here the uh, spinner also when data is coming, so we can understood data is coming. So let's type here. So spinner by default I'm going the false. Okay, so here when event hit, okay, so then I will put my spinner as a true. Okay, when result is coming correct, so I false my spinner. Okay, so what we can do here, just go on the HTML. Okay, you can talk, you can type here also. This is the template if true, pass your variable name and thus close this tag. In this tag you can pass your spinner tag. Okay, so just lightning hyphen spinner. Okay, so in this tag you can pass also like something loading type. So alternative text, something loading, loading like this, and just set your size. So in the spinner size is small, medium, and large. Okay, so I am passing here as a medium. Okay, just save it and deploy this code. So now your spinner set. Now what's now doing when you no markup data chat GPT component is not working. Okay, okay, this template is not properly. Just copy this name and paste here. Okay, now it's fine. I hope this is stable. Sorry, why this going like this? Just save it. Okay. Okay. So let's deploy again. Sometimes it's very hard to control like this. So now is something magic missing here. Was it? Why is doing this? Okay. So I have done my spinner set and we have done everything. Now invalid template tag directory is inspected. Which template is something? Okay, sorry, it's going wrong. That's why. Okay, let me do by slowly. So that's I did not mistake. Okay, still going not lightning spinner LIGSTI ng. Okay, so that's why when you doing these are codes, so you can copy directly from component library, LWC component library, so you can't miss that spelling mistake. Now is our component deploy successful. Okay, so now if you check here, now it's showing data like this. Okay, it's not readable mode. Let's do one thing. In JS we replace our that code, then it will be something readable mode. Okay, let's create one variable response. Okay, then I'm parsing here multiple two times. Okay, json dot parse again, then json dot string if y, and again then json dot parse. So basically what I'm doing here basically, so first one, if you check this first one, json dot parse, first I'm data my text data parsing in a object format. Again, I'm parsing JSON string 5, basically parsing in a JSON format. Again, JSON formatting and doing again in the object format. So when you're doing like this now, so whenever the some unwanted character is coming in that, so it will be reduced basically. Okay. So we have done our this one. Now, what we can do now, just check here if response dot. So if you go check here in the all the data is coming in the choices basically, right? On this choices, which type of array type of here choices, an array is one data coming in zero index dot in this text field coming text only. If you check here, so text, all the data come in the text, then text. Just press enter. Okay, so now time to replace that unwanted data. So basically this variable, right? So let's copy my variable name here, paste here, and just paste again and replace unwanted value. Replace method, and what is the basically some regex I am using here basically. So regex basically this one, you this forward slash, backward slash, and then forward slash and g. Okay, so this is basically regex. When you type this right text like this automatic so here, and in double quotes I am passing my line break code here. Okay, this is line break code br tag. Okay, so I have done my replace job. What we need to do, just parse here, just remove this one and just trim unwanted spaces. Okay, so now just deploy and let's check how data is showing here. So this is basically UI basis. Okay, you can design your UI as per your requirement. Okay, so you can design uh, nicely and what you want. Something is data is coming this. So let's write a email for leave. Okay, press enter. So check here, loading also showing here. When load is completed, then loading automatic closed. Loading is closed, but data is not coming here. Okay, so what we can do here, just check is something error coming, right? Let's check what error coming. This is not showing here. Let's check in the code what error is coming. Basically, we have written the search text, search box also, console.log. In this system, JSON format, respond.choices, 0.text, and we have chat result our basically, and this is our result. Okay. So replace method is not correct. REPLA. This is correct method. Okay, so what error? Let's check this error. Some text is coming correct. Let's check here now. This is the JSON data. Search result. Okay, sorry. So here we did not putting our chat data, right? This chat data before doing this. So what we can do here, just okay. Here we can do one thing. We can replace because our data is in this format now, right? So just do like this. Okay, you can do like this, or you can result our format this again store in this, and again we can store in this method. Okay, so you can able to see the data. Let's check now. Just refresh our component and check here. Write a email for leave. Press enter. You can use also button. Okay, when you can use button, so it will show also. So it's not showing data. Let's check again. Let's check the error here. Yeah, we have stored the response but did not storing this specifically. So we need to be stored this text. Okay, this text here in the text result. Then find this text, your data here, your variable, same variable, and then you can use now. Understood? So what we have done, we are miss our data not storing in this variable, but actually we are storing all the data. That's why it's getting the error. Okay. So this is your data come in the text form. So just now deploy and again refresh and check. Okay. I hope it will be work now. Let's check and refresh. Then write a email for leave. I hope it will be work now. Let's check. Now it's working. Okay. So loading is still going on. So let's check our loading is not going false. Okay. Yeah. Let's do one thing. Copy this and result when coming. So just to go the false here. Okay. Let's deploy again. And now our output is coming correct. Let's refresh this component and let's do another things. Write a apex trigger on account when account is created, then contact auto create. Okay, just press enter. See here, your data is coming here. Okay, so this correct, right? Okay, trigger account. This is the account content trigger name he given on account after insert. Here also created the list, one new list. Okay, after account acc trigger dot new contact dot new. Here last name is the required, so you passing the account dot name and account dot id and contact added list, and he checking also list also. Okay, now it's working. So you can also check another. Okay, you can write email also. Write a email for leave. Just press enter. and you can check here. See here, all the email is proper way, it's passing the date and to. Okay, so you can watch, pause the video and watch properly. You can able to. So we will see you another video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.